everyone, welcome to MS Study Pros. Today we're going to be going over a quick review of AP Microeconomics Unit 1. Okay, so economics is the science of scarcity and choices. Scarcity means resources are limited, so we have to make choices about how to use them. The factors of production are the resources that we use to make goods and services, and they are all scarce. So there are 4 factors, and you can use CELL, cell, to remember them. Capital is tools and machinery, like a factory or equipment. Entrepreneurship is people like Elon Musk who take risks and innovate and combine the resources to make something new. Land is things like natural resources, forests or minerals. And then finally, labor is the human effort, like a librarian or a construction worker. Those are the 4 factors of production. Marginal is a word that you'll have to know for all of economics. Marginal is additional. And then marginal analysis. So in economics, we use marginal analysis to make decisions by comparing the additional benefit of an action to its additional cost. So if you're deciding whether you should study more, you'd compare the extra knowledge that you would gain, the benefit, to the time that you're giving up to do something else, which is the cost. So let's talk about utility maximization, which is like getting the bang for your buck. You can think about. Imagine you're at a food court and you're choosing between a hot dog and a burger. Now the hot dog costs $1 and you gain 30 utils of satisfaction from it. And the burger costs $3, but you gain 100 utils of satisfaction from it. You divide the amount of utils by the price that it costs to find the utils per dollar. So as you can see, I did that for both of these. I did 30 divided by 1 and 100 divided by 3. And I can see this gives me 30 utils per dollar, and this gives me 33.3 utils per dollar. So which one am I going to pick? I'm going to pick the burger. It gives me more per dollar, and I'd get more satisfaction for my money, more bang for my buck by choosing the burger. So this is the logic behind utility maximization. And the last thing that you really want to know is opportunity costs. So opportunity cost is the next best thing you forego with picking something. So you make one decision and you give up something else. So you can see that very easily on a production possibilities curve. This one is an increasing opportunity cost because it is not linear. So production possibilities curve, also known as PPC, this is comparing apples in units to oranges in units. So as you go along this line, any point on this line is a combination of the two that you can make. So here you can make 0 oranges and make 15 apples, or you can make 5 oranges and 0 apples. As long as you're on the PPC, resources are fully and efficiently utilized, no wasted resources. If you're inside the PPC, resources are underutilized and you are inefficient. A point outside the PPC is impossible. It is producing outside your possible ranges. So this is unattainable unless you get better technology to make more oranges or more apples more efficiently, and that would cause the curve to move out as well. So let's look at opportunity costs of this. So as you go from 1 orange to 2 oranges, so at 1 orange you make 13 apples. At 2 oranges you make 12. So the opportunity cost is 1 apple. The opportunity cost of getting 1 more orange is what you're giving up, and you are giving up 1 apple here. So now what's the opportunity cost of the 3rd apple? Let's look. So at 2 you make 12, at 3 you make 9. So if you make 1 more orange, you give up 3 apples. So 3 apples is your opportunity cost. Remember, it's what you're giving up. Okay, that sums it up for today's video. Just a quick review on Unit 1 of AP Microeconomics.